Welcome back to Money Magnet, your trusted resource for comprehensive financial insights aimed at empowering you to make informed decisions about your finances. Today, we embark on an inspiring journey, delving into the theme of financial mistakes and comebacks. We'll delve into the stories of individuals who faced substantial financial setbacks, including bankruptcy and crippling debt, and emerged triumphant against all odds. Join us as we uncover these remarkable stories and distill valuable lessons that can reshape your financial outlook. Segment 2: The Importance of Learning from Mistakes. In the intricate realm of personal finance, errors are an inevitable part of the journey. Each of us, at some point, makes financial missteps. However, it's essential to recognize that these missteps are not failures but rather integral lessons in the complex world of money management. Financial setbacks, though emotionally challenging, hold the potential to be transformational moments. These setbacks challenge us to reevaluate our financial decisions, habits, and priorities. They provide an opportunity to learn from our mistakes, make improvements, and ultimately build a more robust and resilient financial future. Remember, the key lies not in avoiding mistakes altogether but in how we react and adapt when they occur. Segment 3, Story 1, From Bankruptcy to Financial Freedom. Our first story centers around the incredible journey of Jane, a resilient individual who once faced the precipice of bankruptcy due to a failed business venture. The weight of her financial struggles threatened to engulf her entirely, leaving her emotionally and financially drained. However, Jane's response to this crisis was nothing short of remarkable. Jane's journey towards financial recovery began with the creation of a meticulously crafted budget. She ruthlessly pruned unnecessary expenses, and she sought guidance from seasoned financial experts who provided invaluable insights. Simultaneously, Jane launched a modest online business to supplement her income, demonstrating her unwavering determination. Over the years, Jane's perseverance and calculated strategies bore fruit. She not only recovered her financial standing but also achieved the coveted state of financial freedom. Her story is a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the power of financial resilience. Segment 4, Jane's Journey to Recovery. Jane's path to recovery was marked by unwavering determination and calculated financial strategies. The creation of a stringent budget was her first step in regaining control of her finances. This budget not only provided her with a clear roadmap but also instilled discipline in her spending habits. Trimming unnecessary expenditures played a pivotal role in her journey. By distinguishing between essential and non-essential expenses, Jane redirected her financial resources toward debt repayment and savings. Seeking guidance from financial experts proved instrumental, as their expertise helped her navigate the complexities of her financial situation. Simultaneously, Jane's decision to initiate a small online business was a brilliant move. It diversified her income streams and provided a financial safety net. Her entrepreneurial spirit allowed her to create an additional source of revenue, which gradually grew over time. Through these combined efforts, Jane not only managed to recover from her financial setback but also achieved a remarkable state of financial freedom. Her story is a profound illustration of how resilience, discipline, and financial acumen can lead to a brighter financial future. Segment 5, Lesson 1, Resilience and Budgeting. Jane's story imparts invaluable lessons, the first being the significance of resilience and effective budgeting. When confronted with financial setbacks, maintaining mental fortitude and creating a well-structured budget are pivotal. A budget not only offers financial guidance but also empowers individuals to regain control over their monetary affairs. Resilience, in the face of adversity, is the cornerstone of any successful financial comeback. Jane's unwavering determination to overcome her challenges and her commitment to sticking to her budget exemplify the power of perseverance. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that setbacks are not permanent, and financial recovery is possible through resilience and sound budgeting practices. Learning from mistakes and adapting your financial strategies can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. Segment 6, Story 2, Climbing Out of Massive Debt. Our second narrative revolves around the journey of John, who found himself ensnared in a web of colossal debt due to a series of unfortunate financial decisions. The burden of debt was suffocating, but John's indomitable determination became his beacon of hope. Segment 7, John's Path to Financial Health. John embarked on a meticulous quest to financial health. He initiated debt consolidation strategies, engaging in negotiations with creditors and seeking professional credit counseling. Additionally, John dedicated himself to earning extra income through overtime work and side gigs. Gradually, he chipped away at his debt and began crafting a robust financial future. Segment 8, Lesson 2, Debt Management and Hustle. John's journey underscores the significance of effective debt management and the willingness to put in the extra effort to improve one's financial situation. Confronting and managing debt head-on, combined with exploring avenues to augment income, are pivotal steps toward regaining financial stability and laying the groundwork for future financial success. Segment 9, Conclusion. In conclusion, these two extraordinary stories serve as beacons of hope for anyone facing financial adversity. They exemplify that it is never too late to recalibrate your financial trajectory. Learn from your mistakes, fortify your determination, and take actionable steps to secure your financial future. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for a regular dose of invaluable financial insights. We appreciate your viewership, and we eagerly anticipate your return in our next video.